Welcome student, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have discussed about the sum of angles and difference of angles like the sin x plus y and cos x plus y, sin x minus y and cos x minus y. And today sessions we will discuss about the sum and difference of angle in terms of allied angles. Like we will discuss sin pi by 2 plus x, and this is sine pi minus x, sine pi plus x, and sine 3 pi by 2 minus x, and sine 3 pi by 2 plus x, and this is sine 2 minus x and sine 2 pi plus x. We will discuss it by the two methods. The first method, which we have discussed earlier, we use this one. The first one allied angle is 5 by 2 plus x. See, this is x plus y. We can write this is sine pi by 2, this is cos x plus cos pi by 2, that is sine x. We know that this is sine pi by 2 is 1 into cos x plus cos pi by 2 into 0 into sin x. This is equal to cos x. That is sine pi by 2 plus x is equal to cos x. And if you want to solve, this is cos pi by 2 plus x. This is equal to cos pi by 2 cos x minus sin pi by 2 sin x. Now see this one. Cos pi by 2 cos x, it is 0 into cos x minus 1 into sin x. This is equal to 0 minus sin x, it is minus sin x. So now we have, this is cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to minus sin x. Now see this one, the next one, this is 10 pi by 2 plus x is equal to, that is cos x upon minus sin x. That is cos x upon minus sin x. This is this is sin pi by 2 plus x divided by cos pi by 2 plus x. This is minus cot x. This is pi by 2 plus x, and this is cot pi by 2 plus x. This is equal to, again this is minus sin x upon cos x is equal to minus 10x. Next, second pi by 2 plus x is equal to 1 upon cos pi by 2 plus x, and cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to minus sin x is equal to minus cosec x. And the last one is cosec pi by 2 plus x. It is 1 upon sin pi by 2 plus x is equal to cos x, it is sec x. So that is the angles, allied angles sums, and that is sin 90 plus x, cos 90 plus x. We have solved it. We use the rules of the sum of angles and difference of the angles. Now see the second one. I'm going to solve only the sin x, and the rest of do yourself. If you're not understanding, let me know this one. Next is sine, this is pi minus x. This is called sine pi cos x minus cos phi into sin x. We know that the sine and pi is 0, that means sine pi is 0, the sine 1 pi is 0, 0 into cos x, and minus cos phi is minus 1 into sin x. We have learned this cos phi in unit circles. If you don't understand this, go for the previous video. So that is 0 minus into minus plus, this is minus plus sin x. We write this is sin pi minus x is equal to plus sin x, and this is sin pi plus x is equal to, again this is sin pi cos x plus cos phi sin x. Now see this one. This is sin pi is 0 into cos x plus cos y is minus 1 into sin x. This is equal to minus sin x. So that means sin pi plus x is equal to minus sin x. Now the sin 3 pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin 3 pi by 2 cos x and minus cos 3 pi by 2 sin x. Listen this one. This sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 into cos x, and if you have any confusion, so see this one. That is the unit circle. This is 1 comma 0, it is 0 comma 1, and minus 1 comma 0, and this is 0 comma minus 1. It is 0 degree. This is pi by 2 degree. That is cos is 0 and sin is 1, and this is pi degree, this one, and this is 3 pi by 2. Then cos 3 pi by 2 is 0 and sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, and that is 2 pi. This whole angle is 2 pi. That means cos 2 pi is 1 and sin 2 pi is 0. Look this one. And then now we have this is minus cos x. So now this is sin 3 pi by 2 minus x is equal to minus cos x. Now this is sin 3 pi by 2 plus x is equal to sin 3 pi by 2 cos x and plus cos 3 pi by 2 sin x. Again this is sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 into cos x, and cos 3 pi by 2 is 0 into sin x. Now this is equal to minus cos x. So there is same thing. This is 3 pi by 2 this is minus x, and 3 pi by 2 plus x. Now this is sin 2 pi minus x is equal to sin 2 pi cos x minus cos 2 pi sin x. Sin 2 pi is 0 and sin n pi is 0. That sin 2 pi is 0 into cos x minus cos 2 pi is 1 into sin x. So this is equal to minus sin x. The last one, this is you already know, this is sin 2 pi plus x is lie on the first quadrant, then it must be the positive. So that is sin 2 pi cos x plus cos 2 pi sin x. See, this is cos sin 2 pi 0 into cos x and plus cos 2 pi 1 into sin x. This is 0 into cos x plus sin x is equal to sin x. The same methods you can use this one for the cos angles, and for the tan angles, first find out the sin and cos and divide it by sin and cos, then we'll get the tan. And the same for the, this is cot and then secant and then cosecant axis. The next sessions we will discuss the shortcut methods to sort out or to understand the such type of angles, allied angles, the sum and difference of the allied angles. Thank you students, thank you.